And for me, as of right today, it is the Duterte family who deserves justice. And that's how I look at things now. And that's why kung musulti mo DDS ba si Regal Oliva, karon DDS jud kayo siya.
Your opinion, Paniera, is based on what is being presented during the impeachment trial. Not
Yes,
because we all know, in fact, atong publiko, they really know si Attorney Regal is also a very supportive gyud sa mga Duterte, especially kang VP Sara.
Kabalo mo, kanya manggod no, ang ako yung gi-interview ba ya kung Senator Amy Marcos anang akuan. Kung buto no naon imo gunang i-trace ang akong political leanings. Maki-Marcos jud ko. No, wala pa ba na mga Duterte sa una. Marcos Aquino ra maginanduha. Maki-Marcos jud ko. Pero over time, what changed the whole political mind of Regal Oliva and even our family happened in 2013. Pag Yolanda gyud ang pinakauna gyud nga nitabang sa Yolanda nga victims si Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Wala pa'y nakasud. Miski ang Tacloban City nga rescue unit, wa pa nakasud. Tuanas Duterte.
Mato na itong helicopter man to siya?
Oo, yag yung pakutan na, where is God here? Grabe gid
So
kayo.
atong klarohon na
Dito-
dili day atong pag 2023 elections.
No, 2013 nakita na gid ko ani niya kung mudagan gid senador tawhanan ni mubuta ra jud ko ani niya. And in 2016 tinuod gid ni dagag presidente ni suporta gid ko ani pero di man ta maka-open sa atong support because I was city treasurer. I was a civil servant.
Correct.
It was only when I was included in a political maneuvering in Mandawi City that I also had to go to my political leanings. Gipapahawa man ko ni Martin Romualdez sa Mandawi. And so, pagpapahawa gid niya, I said nga, I don't like to leave home. So, I resigned from office and I ran for Congress.
Pero naapat mo transfer actually.
Transfer ka dito sa-
Naatoy ko
Dasmariñas ba to, if I remember?
it was Navotas.
Navotas.
They wanted me to transfer to Navotas. But for me ba, ako maguinahan sa una was also a treasurer and she was
Dugay
transferred
sad kayo.
left and right good different LGUs. For me it was not a good it was good for my mom to be exposed to a lot of LGUs, but it was not good for the family. Kana bang we miss our mom in so many activities. So that's why for me mas maayog gyud nga I am home, I have a daughter here. And also mas maayo nga na ako dinhi. So that's why ang akong political leanings had to go to the, let's say, to the party that needs justice most. And karong mga panahon na sa gibuhat nila sa mga Duterte, di pud ta magpabuta-buta og bungol. Nga grabe ra pud kaayo ning nangahitabo karon sa pamilya Duterte nga they don't deserve. Kanang kidnapon ka human ibutang ka sa The Hague, extra constitutional, wala na sa constitution nato nga pwede ratang i-send ngadto without even presenting the right warrant of arrest. That is already for me a violation of due process and the rule of law. Kaning ilang gibuhat ni Inday Duterte, kani nga impeachment, we know that this is very political. Nganong di man silang duha atong i-impeach? Nga sila mangduha na isa. 'Di ba? I mean, kung confidential funds lang, we're talking about 125 million confidential funds and then naapoy 14 billion nga gi-question ng presidente. Why is it that we have this kind of things? Mo na ang ako para nako as a lawyer, you also have to balance the scales of justice. Kinsa may kailangan og hustisya aning dapita. And for me, as of right today, it is the Duterte family who deserves justice. And that's how I look at things now. And that's why kung musulti mo DDS ba si Regal Oliva, karon DDS jud kaayo ko. Kay kailangan kaayo ni sila sa ato ang hustisya gyud karong mga panahon na.
Attorney Regal, nagkainit na nigmaayo ang ato ang diskusyon. Ito sa nang maghigop sa tagamayng coffee. Attorney Regal,
Okay,
ipadayon
ilami
lang
kini inyong kape.
mag-commercial ta din balik aritas kay I know you are very expert on this kay being a city treasurer before, no? We will talk about financial records of VP Sara.
Okay.
Okay, so pagbalik mga kabrigada.
Tira! Brigada!